What's up, money makers? Looking for that next stock to explode or just want break one down and see its potential? Well, you've ended up in the right place today, my friend. Not only do I break down and analyze stocks, but we also have the right juice over at Banking with Billy Discord. Billy and the other coaches, including myself, rip that smoke every day with updates on stocks we are chasing and letting go, flooding the chats with updates and direction to the best of our knowledge. I'm your host, Mr. John, with Just.Scrollin.Trades. Let's get it. Today we're going to be talking about BMR, Beamer. This stock we've all played with a little bit. We've all seen some different things happen here. Uh, Currently, it's at $6.77. We have been seeing the growth of 7.5%, and it is showing that it is a strong buy with 1 year price at $8. So, that's just a little insight for the stock itself. We have a lot of great additional information that we found on this particular stock. But let's check out their website. So, BMR is BEAMR, Guardian of Video Quality. Beamer is a video technology and image science software company. Our solution and technologies are backed by 53 international granted patents, making us a world-leading provider of video encoding, transcoding, and optimization software solutions that enable high-quality performance and unmatched bitrate efficiency for live and VOD video services. Cool. So, and Hollywood Studios, that is definitely one of the big ones there. So, we do know that they are part of that. Beamer Cloud. So, yeah, they're already in touch with everything online. Another thing that I did see here, everybody's wanting to know those price predictions and in those ranges. This is, after looking at the numbers, these are pretty close to what I'm seeing as well. So, let's see here. The day range is from $6.25 to $7. All right, and now if we go back and we just check out that stock real quick. Let me get that pulled back up over here. All right, so now we just pull the stock back up and 674. And like I said, it says here between 625 and 7. The 52-week range is between 91 and 34.94. So we've done pretty good so far there. So scroll in here, pull this back up. And as you can see, we're currently at $6.74. So it still has room to grow, which that would be our next, right there, I do believe where we were looking at that earlier. That will be your next support. So we have to break that resistance. We're sitting on support of this 674. It's a good support line. However, the next pump, we need to break that $7 mark. That's where it's going to be at. Yeah. So $7 will be our next mark that we would definitely have to be keeping our eyes open for. So once we break this $7 mark, then that will create a new support, which will get us our next gain to our next resistance, which is at 670. So even getting in now, it's going to keep growing. BMR, it's definitely a good stock. We've all played in it. We've all had our turn with it. And I believe this is just another move. And as you can see here, we are in a uptrend right here. So it is showing that this stock is bullish. And we're really just now getting started with it. So for it to make that next level, which is pretty incredible, right? I mean, we see these every day, and we definitely know how crazy the stock market is currently. So we just have to stick to our rules and our guidelines, and even though some of us do this day in, day out, we still make those mistakes of not sticking to those rules, and it's costly every time, and it's a good reminder. It's a good reminder, hey, stick to your rules, stick to the game plan, and don't defer. When you defer, that's when you get in trouble. When you defer, you get in trouble. So now we're going to be looking for this next point of resistance or support, and we're going to see which one we end up with. Even if you look at the super trend, you can see that it's bullish as well. It's looking great. And with our breaks and retest, it's showing us even here that our next break is that 703. So $7, 703 right in there. That's going to be our retest 100% to see if we're going to bounce on up. So that would be a great entry point at that $7 mark. Even to set a trailing loss if it doesn't make there today or tomorrow. But I do see with high volume that it's very well possible that it could just go ahead and bust out. But as always, do your own due diligence and keep up with the stock. If this is one that you're interested in, you definitely need to keep up with where it's at and what it's doing. We also had some more information on here with this stock. Let me just go ahead and get this down. All right, so something that I saw that was pretty interesting here for machine learning, right? Let's see. So it boosts machine learning. How? What does it do? A new leader in the video optimization technology and solutions today announced that it has released and results of a case study which highlights how BEMR tech enables accelerated machine learning training by using significantly smaller video files without any negative impact on the video of artificial intelligence process. Boom, there you have it, guys. I've said it once, I've said it a million times. It involves AI. Anything that involves AI is exactly what we want to be looking for. And now, let's see here. We're going to jump on over here. Knowing that now it has this AI, there's another additional information. Let's go back and see what we got here. Technology can boost machines. Yep. And think how you recognize a car or a human for us. It is an easy task, but not for a computer. Either in a single image or certainly in a video. Each movement changes how the objects look in shape, size, and angles. So yeah, guys, I mean, this is just working. It's actually modifying the AI as it's learning. So this is definitely a great stock to get into. So let's check here real quick. Alabama Camus Learning. Morningstar. Oh, okay. Yeah, same information. So yeah, it is definitely good information. It's got everybody's attention. This stock is definitely one of the leading uh, stocks to help build the AI, and I mean we're in the groundbreaking right now. Uh, that's awesome. So let's look see what was 6 days ago. There's a little more additional information 6 days ago. So presents accelerated video, AI, workflows, and NVIDIA GTC. So there you go. They're even tied in with NVIDIA. We all seen how NVIDIA did and how it's fixing to break that $1,000 mark, probably up into 11 to 1200. We'll just have to see what it does. Who knows what NVIDIA is going to do. But yeah, guys, definitely a great stock to look into, keep up with, do your due diligence, and do your numbers. And let's see if it comes back and it actually ends up breaking the support or the resistance. If we break the support or resistance, then we're going to move to the next one and then the next one. And it'll just be a continuous factor after that point. So, as always, guys, until next time, I'm Mr. John with Just.Scrollin.Trades.